Sngap Syiem College mau kerwat Southwest Khasi Hills District mentah kesngi kelayo ban rakhi Lehkmen ye kejingdap South House nem ne ka 40th Foundation Day na 12 Iaka House nem khat kendai spa prabusan. Hakini kesngi na keliang ka college kelayo ban pelong ye shibun ki program Lehkmen beper ki bekentup ye ka food fest kejingi Lehkai ki bernya entertainment bat kiwei. Nalor kata layo aruban penkup buram ki Samla Pule ki belayo khusnam ha ka 6 Meghalaya games ha kejingi Lehkai beper ke bedang shudapshen. Hakini kejing rakhi lawan banidon lang uba Envin Karaswai MDC Berim Kalangrin constituency balayo ru kejing kren no Dr. KK Nongsit Principal Sngap Syiem College na kabenta banithu lingkot di kejing yak lenti jong kini ke Sngap Syiem College harengkat da kejing sakhilang uba karne sosyang MDC Berim kamau kerwat Nonghikai ki Samla Pule bat ki kimi ki kpa ki belasya khot ngobha.
Bangil depan ia principal bahwa kita kita Samla kita non-CUT kita bersemak bangpas banai ka jing seolah menjadi sesuatu ini consider agar perlu admission lagi ke college nangi agar bagi nomor agar Pule agar benda Islam di Banwan kiwai kini dalam kebanginan ke college dan dalam sibun ki benta infrastruktur ibalasi lalat baru ki ura ke main campus lese ke sarong kawai Iaka ba kan sapang kuadu susu omdei tadi ke jinglong ke pemerintahan dari Iaka pateng di Banwan main campus Iaka baga college kalau dalam ke Jakarta antai moten Bagaimana government kan berpentrai ya kan sedang ya ki infrastruktur badan hantu. Lese kalau kading sedang ya kebagi warra ya kading kelar berkamha akan eka domatan kan.
Happy Foundation Day to all my dear colleagues, students, GB members, parents and all stakeholders. The role of education is bitter, but the fruit is sweet. Sngap Syiem College was set up by the Mahram Syiem Higher Education Association on the 11th of April 1985 as a junior college. It is named after Sngap Syiem, the then Syiem of Mahram and the last freedom fighter against the British regime. This day reminds us to honor and respect to our great visionary leaders of our community who were the founders of the college under the leadership of late Shri Rowellindo, former Deputy Chief Minister to the Government of Meghalaya, and other members who are still alive, and some of them who have rested to eternal peace. We felt deeply honored to our former principals, Dr. K.D. Ramsey, late Shri S.P. Soma, Professor Nonghikai, and late Dr. S.S. Khuborjylla, who have immensely